Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Now you need to select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and click on this blue plus icon. Then set up an hour, and when you're done, click OK. Now choose repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays only, so I have to leave only M. And after that you can click on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations. When you're done, click on label your alarm however you wish to, click OK and tap on this bell icon over here. Now choose dismiss and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking at the chosen one and going back. You can also click on add new and select music from your device, but I don't have any, so I will just go back. And in order to save your alarm, just click on this icon over here. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it, choose bin icon over here, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!